Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming which terminal app you run, because GNOME Terminal and XFCE Terminal use different settings. Once done, open a terminal window with Ctrl+Alt+T or the Activities menu, and make sure you have sudo if you plan to edit system profiles. You should back up /. Config/ or export your profile now so you can restore defaults. Doing these quick checks avoids surprises later and keeps you ready to change font files or GUI preferences without losing your configuration. You now change the font inside the Terminal app. For GNOME Terminal, open Preferences, select your profile, go to Text and enable Custom Font, then pick the size and family. This directly affects readability. For XFCE Terminal, go to Preferences, right arrow appearance, and adjust the font size slider. If you need console fonts outside X, use Set Font or Edit /etc. /default /console setup and regenerate with sudo dpkg reconfigure console setup. Make sure to test you finish by applying changes and restarting the terminal. Sometimes you must log out or reboot to refresh font caches. If characters or icons look wrong, switch to a reliable monospace like Deja Vu Sans Mono or Fira Mono and test again, because font fallback can break glyphs. For virtual consoles, use set font with a known console font, and if anything goes wrong, restore the backed up /. Config/ or profile files. One tip: keep a terminal open while testing so you can revert quickly if display breaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.